Hey, boys and girls, it is review time for Letterland. We are going to review what we've talked about in Letterland this week. Okay, let's get started. First thing, on Monday, we learned about Harry Hatman, and this is what his name looks like: Harry Hatman. And all of the first letter of each word is capital because that is his name. And remember, names start with a capital letter. This is what he looks like in Letterland. And he makes the sound. It's real quiet because he hates noise. And this is his plain letter side. Harry Hatman likes to say his sound in words like hat, horse, and house. Munching Mike, again, there's his capital letters, Munching Mike. This is what he looks like in Letterland. And his plain letter side, when we see his plain letter side, we say for his sound. And Munching Mike likes to say his sound in words like magnet, milk, and monkey. Talking Tess, there's her big and tall. We lose her head in the clouds. Talking Tess. This is what she looks like in Letterland. And when we see her plain letter side, we say t for her sound. She likes to say her t sound in words like telephone, tin, and tiger. Good job. Okay, this week on yesterday, we learned about a roller coaster trick about blending words. So let's get our roller coasters out and let's read these words. Okay. D, mad, mad. Good job. Okay. Mat, mat. Hat, hat. Dad, dad. Okay, boys and girls, that is it for our review today. You're not going to have an assignment today because on Friday we're just going to do some review work and review what we've talked about this week. Okay, practice sounding these words out and practice reading those words using your roller coaster trick. Okay, thanks, boys and girls, and I'll see you back on Monday.